Hey Cleared Job Seekers, we're back with another tip for your job search, and today we're talking about the resume that you upload to a job board, like ClearedJobs.Net. So of course on a job board you can search and apply to jobs, but if you also work out a successful profile for yourself with your profile details and also your resume, then you're allowing yourself to be passively found by employers that are actively searching for you. So what you want to do is make sure that you don't skip those profile details, because that's going to be the first thing that a recruiter sees when you come up in their search results. After they look at those brief profile details that you've entered, then they're going to decide if they want to go ahead and click through to view your resume. So remember not to skip the profile details, but today we're really focusing on the resume portion. So a job board resume is going to be a little bit different than a resume that you might use to apply for a specific job, where those might be a little more tailored. Your job board resume is going to be a little bit more broad, more expansive of all of your skills and experience. I'm not talking about including jobs that you had that have nothing to do with your current career path. We can leave those off. But still, you don't have to stick to just 1 or 2 pages on a job board resume. You want to make sure that you're including all of your relevant skills and experience and all of those keywords, key terms that employers and recruiters are going to be searching for, so that you do appear in their search results. So think about, are there different ways that your experience might be searched for? Like a database architect. One employer might search database architect, another might search DBA. So make sure you have both of those in your resume in that instance. So acronyms. Include the acronym, spell them out. If a recruiter is finding too many candidates in their initial search, they're probably going to start adding various keywords to try to boil that down to people that really capture all of the experience that they're looking for. So if you think like a recruiter and keep how they're searching in mind, that's going to help ensure that you do appear in more of their search results. And of course, if you get a new job, get a new certification, expand your skill set in any way, be sure to continually update your resume, improve it, and re-upload it. That's our tip for today, but we're going to be back soon with many, many more, so stay tuned.